Top 16 health benefits from eating apples. Number 1. Anti-cholesterol. Apples contain high amounts of fiber. These soluble fibers compete with fats in the intestine. This results in the decrease of absorption of LDL, low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol levels, and increases in absorption of HDL, high-density lipoprotein or good cholesterol. Number 2. Anti-cancer properties. Apples have potent anti-cancer abilities that protect the body from cancerous cells. Studies have shown that the consumption of flavone-rich apples could help reduce your risk of developing pancreatic cancer by up to 23%. And several compounds found in apple peels called triterpenoids showed anti-growth activities against cancer cells. Number 3. Boost immunity. Apples have an antioxidant known as quercetin, which are mainly found in red juicy apples. This antioxidant boosts the immune system to build the natural defenses of the body. The other nutrient found in an apple is vitamin C that has anti-inflammatory properties. Fibers also enhance the immune system. Number 4. Help with asthma. Apples contain healing properties from chemicals such as phytochemicals and polyphenols found in the fruit, which can assist an individual recovering from asthma, breathing problems, and improve the general functioning of the lungs. Number 5. Promotes digestion. Apples are rich in dietary fiber. Including them in your daily diet will ensure that your digestive process stays intact. They also keep away constipation and facilitate smooth movement of bowels. Number 6. Preventing Alzheimer's. Drinking apple juice can reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and can battle against the decaying of the brain. A study found that apple consumption in the regular diet of mice resulted in higher doses of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. Alzheimer's occurs due to the damage to nerve cells of the brain, and apple juice, which contains flavonoids, helps repair the damaged cells. Number 7. Improve night vision. Velvet apples or camargue contain high amounts of vitamin A. This vitamin helps improve vision and reduce symptoms of night blindness. Vitamin A plays an important role for good eyesight. Number 8. Improves blood circulation. Iron-rich velvet apples help maintain hemoglobin levels in the blood. It also regulates the red blood cell count in the body. These increase blood oxygenation, stimulate hair growth, and accelerate healing, helping with anemia. Flavonoids in apples can help prevent heart disease by lowering the blood pressure, reducing bad LDL oxidation, and acting as antioxidants. Number 9. Improves skin and hair health. Apple is a great anti-aging mask to lift the dull and wrinkled skin as well as keeping it moist. Regular intake of apples removes fine lines and wrinkles. The nutrients found in this fruit can boost hair growth and provide numerous other hair benefits. Number 10. Improves bone health. Velvet apple or mabolo is high in calcium. Calcium is key in promoting bone and teeth strength. Calcium content found in velvet apple helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis, rheumatoid arthritis. Number 11. Aids weight loss. Apples contain plenty of fiber which aids in healthy weight loss. An apple can fill you up for lesser calories, boosts energy levels. Apples contain the antioxidant quercetin, which makes oxygen more easily available to the lungs, leading to an increase in the time of endurance. Number 13. Prevent skin cancer. Apple contains a small amount of vitamin A. Vitamin A plays an important role in skin development, thus enabling immature skin to develop into mature and functional skin tissue and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Number 14. Stimulate hair growth. Apples are known to boost hair growth. This is because they contain a nutrition called biotin, which is known as a natural growth steroid for hair and nails. Number 15. Promotes teeth health. The biting and chewing of this fruit has been shown to increase the secretion of saliva in the mouth that delays tooth decay. Number 16. Promotes kidney and liver health. A rose apple may be used to flush out the toxins from the kidneys and liver, while keeping the vital organs clear, providing overall health boost. To learn more about natural health cures, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. Please click the like button and remember to subscribe. Wishing you the best of health.